somehow or another, y'all are back here to watch Justhankinaround. We're working on a building pad today. Turn y'all around here and show you what I've been up to. Alright, so this is the lot we've been cleaning up. One I done the brush hogging on. There's our driveway. Building a pad here. This is gonna be a slab home. Building a pad here with the Hyundai today. She's got a blade. She does pretty good. Let's take a look at this thing. I think this is the biggest track hoe excavator you can get with a scrape blade. And I don't know how wide it is. I'm gonna say that's at least an 8-foot blade. Here's my big old foot. It's doing the job. Let's do some more. Let's get this thing bulldozed out, scraped down. They say they want it level. I don't know. Might have to pull out the old eagle eye on this one. See what we can do with it. All right, there's another job. Finished up. Got a little slab here. Oh, Hyundai done pretty good. Got a little ditch on this upper side. Get that water away. Thank y'all for watching. See you on the next one.